Hello, this is David from the Last Minute iOS crew. I'm here to give you a quick demo of our app, Forget Me Not. I'll walk you through every feature that we've implemented for the Skeletal product version of the app. Its design matches the first design featured on our slides. So as a quick reminder for the purpose of this app, Forget Me Not was designed as a tool for helping Alzheimer's patients. This tool allows patients to identify who they're speaking to. This is achieved by recording and sending voice clips to our backend, where a trained model will handle the identification process. We also allow users to send voice clips to our backend to fine-tune our model. This is our main menu. It contains the title card and two buttons. These two buttons are the main features for this scene. If working correctly, each will take the user to its respective scene embedded within a navigation controller. The one on the left takes you to the voice collection scene, and the one on the right takes you to the speaker identification scene. We also put two small blocks of text that briefly describe these scenes. One thing to note is that upon opening the app, the button for the voice collection scene is disabled. That's because the app is fetching data for the voice collection scene. And something like this. Now let's head to the voice collection scene. The purpose of this scene is, again, to record and send voice clips to the backend to fine-tune our model. Its features include a help button, a name selector, two input fields, and a series of buttons for recording voice clips. At first, the help button. By clicking on the button, a small help message will pop up, explaining the purpose of this scene, like this. Next, the series of buttons. By pressing the record button, the app will begin recording your voice, and by pressing it again, it will stop recording. The other buttons on the bottom allows you to play the voice clip, rewind it, or fast forward by 10 seconds, delete it, and submit your voice clip to the backend. Now, let's take a look at how it works. Hello. I just recorded my voice and I can press the play button. Hello. Rewind it. Hello. Or fast forward it. Hello. And I can also delete it. Let's try it again. Hi. And we have a recorded voice clip. Nice. So let us explain this name selector and input fields. The name selector allows you to select a speaker's identity from the list of existing speakers in the database. We fetch these names from the database each time after the user opens up the app and after the user submits the voice clips. If you are an existing user, then you can select your name and submit the voice clip right away. But if your name is not in the database, you are required to enter your name and relationship to the patient. If you are missing either of the input fields, an alert message will pop up when you click on the Submit button. So let's enter our relationship. After successfully submitting your first voice clip as a new speaker, your name will show up again in the voice selector next time you open up this scene. So let's submit it. Open it up again. And yes, there's the new name. And these are all the features in the voice collection scene. Let's move on to speaker identification. The features located within this scene are the help button, the result display, and the record button. Once again, the help button will trigger a help message to pop up like this. And next, the record button. Once again, by pressing the record button, the app will begin recording your voice. By pressing it again, the app would send your voice clip to the backend for identification. And the results will be displayed in the middle of the scene. If the backend successfully identifies the speaker, both the name and relationship of the speaker to the patient will be displayed. If the backend returns a failure, then a message will appear, prompting the user to head towards this voice collection scene to help fine-tune our model. We're still working on the speaker identification model at the time of recording this video, and hence we'll be sending the mock using a mock server for this. It has a 50% chance for success and another 50% for failure. The name sent by this API is also constant, but it does show how our app handles these situations. So let's try it out. I will start recording my voice. Hello. We'll send it to the backend, and let's see. So the backend returns a failure. The error message correctly displayed on the scene. And let's try it again. Hello. Oh, it's a failed attempt again. Let's try it again. Yup. And on success, the name and relationship are correctly displayed in this scene. And that's all the features that we have implemented for our Skeletal product. We hope that you enjoyed our presentation. See you next time.